Good evening. Welcome to the Lance and Sandra Show. I'm Lance.
I'm Sandra.
So what's going on here tonight, hon?
Well, I was watching TV and I was also scrolling on my phone and I saw a video. I thought I would just give this a quick try. It is a chocolate cheesecake. It calls for 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. And one thing I'm gonna admit already that I didn't do is I didn't spray the ramekin. So I don't know how this is gonna turn out.
Again.
So,
We can scrape it out with a spoon.
called for 1 egg. Mix that in. We normally don't eat this late. We almost always fast after 8 o'clock until 8 in the morning. But like I said, I was scrolling through Facebook and I just saw this video and I thought I would give it a try. Actually, I saw the video, but there were no clear instructions on how to make it. So Lance went and used his ChatGPT, and this is the recipe that.
Is this what they gave you? I
What
sent it to her. I didn't even really look at it.
to look at my phone. So 2 ounces cream cheese softened, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa.
Is that for one? That much in one, huh?
2.
But you were gonna make 2. But now you're only making 1.
I'm only making 1.
Yeah, we're gonna test it first,
We're
right?
gonna try it
You don't
and
eat that
see.
much that late anyway, right? Late is like 9:45 in the PM.
Uh-oh, making a mess here.
It's not blending very well.
No, it's not. So, well, I should have used something
Should we
bigger.
mix it in a bigger bowl?
No, we'll just leave it in here. And then it called for 2 tablespoons of almond flour. This was just going to be a really quick video, so 2 tablespoons almond flour. And then just going to do just a splash of vanilla. And I found my swerve. It called for granulated sugar, but I'm using powder because this is all I have. I couldn't find my other one. 2 tablespoons.
2, 2, and 2.
Yeah,
Like the love connection.
I'm not a real big on sweet, so I'm just gonna do like 1.5. We're just
testing.
We're just testing. We'll let you know. I'll let you know how this turns out.
How do you get cocoa to blend?
I don't know. Good question. Can you grab me another fork?
Sure.
Alright, I'm just gonna try to put some of this back in here. Blend this up as well as I can.
Is the color of the cream cheese is getting hardening too?
Yeah, hard to know. We haven't tried this before, and like I said, I normally don't like anything chocolate.
Smells good.
Which is surprising to a lot of people, but
Yeah, I don't even get her chocolates at Valentine's because she won't eat them.
yeah,
She doesn't like chocolate much.
I'm a sweet tart gal.
You get her some sweet tarts.
Can't eat those.
with a little saying something like "I love you."
Yep. So, all right. Well, and then the directions called for pop in the microwave for 90 seconds.
90 whole seconds, huh?
90 seconds. So.
Well, it's blending okay now.
Yeah, it is, but I can see some cream cheese in the bottom.
You don't know. It's sticking to the bottom?
I
think we're gonna eat this like a pudding because it's gonna stick to the sides, huh?
Yeah, we'll find out. This is what you get when you're craving something and you're scrolling through Facebook and you find a recipe and you just want something. So I'm going to throw this in the microwave for 90 seconds and we'll be right back. Alright, 90 seconds. Looks kind of sad, but it smells good.
It smells like, it's still like bubbling, so you gotta let it cool a little bit.
So we're gonna let
it may not stick to the sides.
So let me grab a butter knife and yeah, it didn't stick. Well, just a little bit.
I'll dump it out on something cooler. You want to eat it out of that?
No. We got new mix.
Good. Feel like it fell?
Nope. There it goes. Ah, look at the cream cheese on the bottom, but hey, that might be good.
That might be good.
So we're gonna let this cool and we're gonna come back and have a little taste test.
Yep. So you didn't really stick to the sides too bad.
No.
Suppose if you mix it in something else and pour it in, that
Yeah.
way you know all the cream cheeses.
Probably. So we'll let this cool and then we'll just do a taste test. So, right. This is cooled. Just gonna put it.
Okay.
Well, that was cream cheese. And I like cream cheese, so
Absolutely.
that part tasted good. Just gonna cut this in half.
See how it looks. How's the firmness?
Pretty firm.
It's more like a cake than a
Yeah.
cheesecake, right?
I feel like, yeah.
It's a cheesecake.
Other than my mixing, I feel like this came together pretty well. It's still a little warm, but
What do you think? What does it need?
probably could have gone with the full sweetener and less cocoa.
Yeah.
But I think if I made the heavy whipping cream put on top of this, it would have been really good.
It needs more sweetener.
More sweetener, less cocoa.
Cocoa's good.
I'm not a chocolate fan, so. So yeah, it's 10 o'clock and we are gonna have to move our fast back to 10 next morning.
We kind of do anyway.
Yeah. So anyways, thanks for joining us tonight. And we'll make improvements on this and we'll share.
I'm sure we'll do it again.
Yeah. All right. Good
Can we
night.
like and subscribe down below? And until next time.
Good night.
Good night.